Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking onto this video. I hope you click that subscribe button as well. I bought some of the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palettes. Did I really need to? No. Was it an impulse buy? Yes. But they just look so pretty, so I had to buy them. I bought these two ones. One is like more on the pinky purpley shade like range, which is called the Neutrals 2. Neutrals, that one. And then this one is more like on the like neutral kind of shades and browns, which is called Iconic Fever. I did create this eye look with mainly this palette. I mean, I just used this shade in this one, so I can kind of give you more of a first impressions on what I thought with the eyeshadows on this palette. I did use maybe 4, or I didn't use all of them, so I can't give you a first impression of it all, but I can give you a slight first impressions. Also, if you want to know how I created this look, I have got a little mini tutorial at like the end of the video. So these eyeshadows are £4 each. You heard correctly, £4 each, and you get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 eyeshadows in the palette for £4. You've got a mixture of mattes and shimmers, which is also great. You can literally just need these palettes. You've got your transition shades, you've got your shimmers. You can make a natural eye look, you can make a glam look, you can make a I'm slaying like a bitch look if you wanted to with these for £4. I didn't try the shimmers wet because I have no setting spray, so I didn't try it wet. And I did notice that with the white shimmer, while I was doing this makeup look, doing it with the brush, I did have to do it quite a bit to get some sort of pigment like showing up, and even then it still wasn't much. I then went in with a finger to kind of do my inner corner, which came out better, but I do feel like maybe like the pink one was fine, but the white one I think maybe you'd need to wet your brush before doing it to get a better pigmentation. Apart from that, all the other eyeshadows were pigmented. You didn't need a lot in your brush. I mean, I'm really impressed with Makeup Revolution eyeshadows anyway. They are extremely good for the price. I'll do some quick swatches for you. I won't do them all, but I'll do a mixture of mattes and shimmers so that you can kind of get an idea of the pigment of the palette. So let's do a quick few shimmers. So I'll do this pink one. Oh, look at that. Other ones, let's do a lighter one to see what the shimmer's like with the lighter one. See, you can still, even though it's light, it just gives that nice, so nice. Let me do some on the other palette. I'll do the white one so you can kind of get an idea. Oh no, I've got pink in it. An idea of what I meant with like the pigment. Oh well, it looks great there. But see, it comes off quite nice on your finger, but when you use a brush, it is slightly like you need a bit more work, you know. Let's do a dark one. Oh, I went a bit messy with that one, didn't I? It wasn't as nice as the others, but you can still kind of get an idea that, you know, pigment is insane. Let me show you some mattes as well. So let's do 2 on this one. So let's do this orange. Let's do there's a browny purpley, it's not even purple, browny red. I think these palettes are so worth the money, and like I said, you get such a variety of like looks with them. You literally only need the one palette to go out, which is like when you're traveling, you kind of want that, with ones that you can do for like every day and then swap it up to evening, you know. So if you want to see how I got this kind of maybe like a Valentine-y kind of look, then I'm gonna skip to this video to there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye. Mate, my hair is so flat today. I know. I'll probably die with a hairband, and I probably should take it off. Ugh, I'm always having that on.